Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix poor video quality on Fubo. If your Fubo video looks blurry, pixelated or low quality, don't worry, just follow the steps. First, check your internet connection. Fubo needs fast and stable internet for the good quality. If possible, connect to the strong Wi-Fi and move closer to your router. Slow internet is the main reason for low quality video. Open the Fubo app, go to the setting or playback setting, set video quality to audio or higher. If your internet is slow, choose medium for smooth playback. Close the app running on your phone. Also pause video or streaming on the other device. Too many devices using Wi-Fi can reduce the video quality. Close the Fubo app completely, open it again and restart the channel. This refreshes the video stream. If possible, restart your iPhone, unplug your Wi-Fi router for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This improves internet performance. You can also go to the App Store, search for Fubo and check for the updates. Older app version can cause quality problem. Live TV quality may change based on the internet speed and the channel source. This is normal, but poor quality usually means a connection issue. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.